Have you ever wanted a mess-free way to enjoy infused honey while keeping all the THC potency intact? This is THC Honey Powder, a dry, powdered form of infused honey. This batch contains 225 milligrams of THC total, making it easy to control dosing. This recipe will need these ingredients: 3 packs of THC Honey Stix, with 5 sticks per pack, making a total of 15 honey sticks, which equals 225 milligrams of THC. 1½ cups of tapioca maltodextrin, adjusting as needed for dryness. A pinch of salt, which is optional but enhances flavor and balances sweetness. Step-by-step instructions. First, add the THC honey to a mixing bowl. Squeeze all 15 THC honey sticks from 3 packs into a clean, dry mixing bowl. Next, slowly add the tapioca maltodextrin. Sprinkle in 1 cup of tapioca maltodextrin, stirring constantly. Now mix until it becomes a dry powder. Keep stirring, gradually adding the remaining ½ cup of maltodextrin until the mixture turns into a light, fluffy powder. Then sift for an ultrafine texture. Use a fine mesh strainer to remove any clumps and ensure a smooth, even texture. Finally, store in an airtight container. Pour the THC honey powder into a sealed glass jar or airtight bag to keep it dry. Dosing and portioning. This batch contains 225 milligrams of THC total. 1 teaspoon contains 2.1 milligrams of THC. This powder is hydrophobic, meaning it dissolves instantly in liquid without clumping. This honey powder lasts for months without losing potency. Try this recipe at home and tag us. Follow Make Stix for more infused honey stick recipes.